In this brief episode, we will discuss the pyramids of biomass and what determines their structure. Pyramids of biomass show the total mass of living material at each trophic level in a food chain. Each horizontal bar relates to the combined biomass of all organisms at that particular feeding level. As you move further up in trophic levels in a food chain, there's less and less energy and biomass at each stage. This pattern happens because energy is lost at each transfer between the trophic levels, supporting fewer organisms and less total mass as you move up. This energy loss explains why food chains rarely exceed 4 levels. With such inefficient transfers, there's simply not enough energy remaining to support additional trophic levels beyond the fourth or fifth. Consider the following woodland food chain. A simplified example might be that 1,000 plants might support 100 caterpillars, which sustain 10 birds, and finally, those support a single eagle. The total mass of plants exceeds the combined mass of caterpillars, and this pattern continues. Counting individual organisms can be deceptive. Imagine 100 fleas feeding on the eagle. Though greater in numbers, the fleas' combined biomass remains tiny compared to their host. Understanding pyramids of biomass helps ecologists assess ecosystem health and stability. Changes in biomass at one level can predict impacts throughout the food chain, making these diagrams valuable for conservation planning. These pyramids also explain why large predators require extensive territories. Supporting a single top predator requires enormous amounts of producer biomass at the pyramid's base.